Hey guys, how you doing? It's your boy Zolani coming at you with another video. I know it's been a long time, but I am back in town for spring break and I wanted to do another video while I'm here. Today, I'll be unboxing and building Lego Ninjago Dragon's Rising Kai's Ninja Climber Mech. This is set number 71812. It has 623 pieces. Take a look at the back. Alright, now let's unbox and build.
Drop the beat.
Back. So I finished the set and I'm going to show you what it has. First up, we got Climber Kai. Here's Climber J. Here's Wildfire and her new design. See, hair's longer. She's got a new outfit. Here's Jordana, a little glider. And finally, we have Kai's Climber Mech. Check out all these accessories, all the weapons, and this part can even unhook and become a grapple. Like so. And there you have it. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you want, subscribe to the channel and check out more of these videos. Be sure to live your life to the fullest and have yourself a blessed day.